Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing of the HEYAXA Wake Up Light alarm clock. You can get this product on Amazon for about $50. Check out the link in the description. The wake-up light comes with a power cable and a user manual. It has a nice size and it feels like a good quality product. The radio buttons are located on the front side, all other buttons are located on top of the device. You can also use the alarm clock with batteries. So far it looks like a very nice product. If you want to know more about this Wake Up Light alarm clock, check out the link in the description. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos.